Hi, this is Adam Hewison from Market Club, and what we're going to talk about today is the Market Club advantage for stocks. One of the big things that happens to stocks are earnings that come out. Now, earnings can push a market higher or lower. It really depends, but one of the advantages with Market Club, it seems to know what the report's going to say. What we're looking at right now is a chart of Amazon. It's a weekly chart, and it's traded on the NASDAQ, Amazon. Now, Amazon came out on the 24th with an amazing profits. Profits actually doubled from a year ago to 111 million or 26 cents a share. Now, naturally, no one knew this on March 29th when we had our buy signal on Amazon. That's a 39.80 right here. 39.80 by Amazon. Now, back then, in March 29th, no one knew what was going on. In fact, the chart didn't even look that bullish. It looked like it was just basically going kind of sideways. No big activity. All right, let's scroll this a little, take everything off the chart, and I'll show you what happened. So as we scroll this further forward, you'll see, look at this move. Now remember, you got long, 39.80. The market's currently trading at 62.78. I think you'll agree that's a pretty spectacular profit in just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks. It's the Market Club advantage. For some reason, Market Club seems to know which way the earnings are going to come out, and how we do that is with our triangles. We use the monthly for the trends, and then we use the weekly for timing. As you can see, at 39.80 to where we are, 62.78. Let's call it 62.80 just to round it up to make it simple. You can see it's a profit of $23 in a very short period of time. I think you'll agree that's pretty spectacular. Okay, if it just happened to Amazon, I'd say, okay, that's not enough. Let's look at another chart, and let's look at Apple computer. So let's escape from what we're doing right now, take all this off the screen, and let's go to our little handy dandy thing. We'll choose Apple. Look at the weekly chart. And here's Apple. Now, Apple reported their earnings on the 25th. And look what happened. Look at the date we have here. On the 24th, the day before, 95.91 was a buy signal for Apple. Don't ask me how it knows. I don't know that myself. But somebody knows what these reports are going to say, and they have to make their presence known in the market. And that's what Market Club does. It gives you the Market Club advantage. As you can see here, the trend is up on the weeklies. We use the weekly for timing, and if we go here, I'll show you the monthly. The monthly, you can see the monthly has been up since 70. That's on September 5th. You can see the trend has been up. So every week you have a weekly buy signal, you're a buyer. It's just that simple. Now, that's Amazon and Apple, two markets that had positive, great earnings. Let's look at another market that didn't do quite so well. Okay, let's choose Yahoo, and let's look at a weekly chart, and look at this. 30.83 on April 18th. It said either to get out of this market or get short. In this case, it would be get out of the market because the trend on the monthly is still up, and I'll show you that in just a second. But on the 23rd, Yahoo came out with an 11% decline in their first quarter income for 07 from 06. Hence the big drop in the stock. But look, you got out at great levels, still very close to the highs, and you don't have to worry. You're out of the market. But let's look at the monthly charts. So we'll take this off. We'll go to a monthly chart, and here it is. Here's the monthly. It's still saying at 28.56. The trends from January 10th saying that Yahoo should be going higher. So even from 28.56, the market's 28.48. It's still pretty flat, and it's still saying that the market, according to this mathematical formula, is going higher. Now, it must turn around pretty quickly. Otherwise, this is going to turn back down, but my guess is it's going to turn around. But we'll see. It's in the hands of the triangles. We'll let the market decide what it wants to do. And sometimes that's the best thing to do, is just listen to the market. Don't have any preconceived ideas. Go with the flow. It's always better. But how does a market know, and I'm going to take this off, I'm going to go back to our weekly chart. How does a market know before a report comes out that either you should be out of the market, in this case of Yahoo, or you should be long in Apple and long in Amazon? How does it know? Somebody knows. And that's the Market Club advantage. It gets you in the earnings the right way. And that's the key to being successful in the market. Listen to the market, listen to the signals on Market Club, and you will do well. Hey, this is Adam Hewison for Market Club. Every success in trading and in life. I'll see you on the web.